Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a story on Facebook. So after you open Facebook, you go to create story, and then you can pick a picture that's already there, or you can take a new picture. Here's an example of me taking a new picture. Just press the white button there, and then um, you can add a sticker, or you can draw. Um, so here I'm typing hello. So after I'm done, I can just press that blue button, and then you can share only on Facebook or always share to Instagram. Um, then it's loading, and then my video is posted. Ta-da! So that's it for today. I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.